Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Sportage LX in Snow White Pearl. Starting at the front here, we have automatic bifunction projection headlights and projection fog lights, along with a stylish front grille and an acoustic laminated windshield. Moving on, this model comes with 17-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes and high-performance shocks. This model also includes power-heated side view mirrors, chrome window trim, and deep privacy tint glass. Heading toward the rear now, this vehicle comes equipped with a rear window wiper, defroster, and spoiler. And here's a glimpse of the very spacious cargo area. Some of the safety features included with this model are hill assist control, impact sensing door unlock, and electronic stability control. And moving on inside, we have a nice cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats for extra cargo space and rear climate ventilation. Looking toward the front now, we have power windows and locks, heated front seats, and steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls for distraction-free driving. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, both USB and auxiliary input ports, and a rear view camera on a 5-inch LCD display. This model also includes Drive Mode Select with Eco, Normal, and Sport drive modes. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle includes a 2.4-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed Sportmatic transmission. For more information, you can contact us here.